Hello team, welcome to our channel Coefficient of Variation to compare similar process. So first we will understand what is meant by coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation is sigma divided by mu. So any process we first calculate coefficient of variation by using this formula sigma divided by mu. Sigma is standard deviation and mu is the mean of the particular process. So once we calculate COV, then we can compare with a similar process. So I am giving two process here. So process A produce 100 pieces per shift with standard deviation of 3 and process B produce 200 per shift with standard deviation of 5. Both process it's a similar process but in separate maybe location. So now which process is having more variation? So by seeing the data you can tell that process A having less standard deviation, so process A is best, but we can't tell like that. For this we need to calculate coefficient of variation for both the process and we need to compare. So now we will calculate the coefficient of variation for process A and process B. First, process A, the average is 100 and the standard deviation is 3. So now the coefficient of variation formula is sigma divided by mu, that is 3 divided by 100 into, we need to convert into percentage, so it's multiplied by 100. So COV for process A is 3%, and now process B, the average 200 and standard deviation 5, the same formula. So COV for process B is 2.5%. So by seeing this value, so you can able to tell which process is having less variation. So process B having less coefficient of variation compared to process A. So process B is the best because it's having less coefficient of variation. Process A having standard deviation 3, but the coefficient of variation is higher than the process B. So the process B is the best as per the calculation of coefficient of variation. Whichever is lower, that is the best. So the process B having lower volatility in production with respect to mean compared to process A. Thank you.